Banana stems usually discarded. Modern factories give them new life. Industrial scale transformation.
Similar factories are now being planned in other regions with high banana production. After banana fruit is harvested, the stem is usually discarded or left to rot. But inside this factory,
As the stems enter the factory, high-precision machines begin separating the outer layers from the inner fibers. What happens next is a carefully synchronized process. Washing, crushing, fiber extraction.
At full capacity, this facility can process massive volumes every single day, something that would be impossible using manual.
What makes this process truly remarkable is sustainability. A material once considered agricultural waste.
Before leaving the factory, the fibers undergo strict quality control to ensure strength, durability, and consistency.
After hours of processing, what began as a banana stem is now a high-value material ready for global markets.
This is a real, fully operational industrial facility equipped with advanced automated machines.
Usually, banana stems are discarded after harvest. But here, every stem is carefully selected, cut, and As the stems enter the factory, high-precision machines separate the outer layers from the inner fibers, washing.
At full capacity, this factory can process thousands of stems every day, something that would be impossible without these artisans. This process turns what was once agricultural waste into valuable products. Not only did it reduce
This is how modern technology is reshaping agriculture and manufacturing, turning waste into opportunity.
This might look like ordinary banana stems, but what you're about to see will completely change the way you think about waste.
inside this massive high-tech factory, banana trunks are transformed into valuable industrial materials.
Normally discarded, these banana stems are carefully selected and transported to the processing line within hours to ensure maximum quality. High-precision machines separate outer layers from inner fibers, crushing and washing them with unmatched accuracy.
Next, the fibers are extracted and dried, undergoing continuous quality checks to guarantee only the strongest move forward. What happens next is a carefully synchronized process. Washing, crushing, fiber extraction.
Every batch undergoes strict quality control to ensure fibers are strong, consistent, and ready for global markets.
As the fibers move along the conveyor, machines continuously sort and align them, creating a seamless flow that's mesmerizing to watch.
And here comes the step that truly turns ordinary stems into extraordinary materials.
Specialized presses extract the inner fibers while removing moisture, leaving behind pure, high-quality raw material.
Thousands of stems pass through this line every day, all synchronized to perfection by advanced automation. From simple plant waste to uniform fibers, the transformation is both incredible and efficient.
And now, the fibers are ready for the next stage we are in, where the real magic begins.
After extraction, fibers are carefully dried using high-tech controlled systems to preserve strength and quality.
Temperature, humidity, and airflow are constantly monitored by smart sensors to maintain perfect conditions.
Next, the fibers undergo a transformation that turns them into usable industrial products. Special machines comb, straighten, and refine each fiber, removing impurities and ensuring uniformity.
Hundreds of kilograms of fibers move through this process every hour, a feat impossible without automation.
Robotics and AI-driven controls adjust fiber tension and alignment in real time, maintaining flawless quality.
At this stage, the ordinary banana stem is now on its way to becoming high-value rope, textiles, or industrial material. Once the fibers are refined, they move to the packaging line, where advanced machinery prepares them for shipment.
Automated machines bundle fibers into neat, uniform packages, each labeled for quality and traceability.
Every package is weighed, checked, and photographed, ensuring each batch meets strict industrial standards.
And here's where the final transformation becomes visible, effuging, from raw plant material to ready-to-use products.
Ropes, textiles, and industrial fibers emerge from the line, each a testament to modern technology and precision. What was once agricultural waste is now a valuable, eco-friendly resource for global industries.
Once packaged, the finished products are transferred to the logistics zone, ready for storage and global distribution.
Every hour, massive quantities leave this facility, a scale that redefines industrial efficiency.
By converting banana stems into usable materials, this factory reduces agricultural waste on a massive scale.
The synchronization is flawless today.
Agreed. The new protocols are working perfectly.
These finished banana stem products are shipped to industries across multiple countries, supporting manufacturing worldwide.
From ropes and textiles to industrial materials, banana fibers are used in a surprising number of applications. From ropes and textiles to industrial materials, banana fibers are used in a surprising number of applications. From ropes and textiles to industrial materials, banana fibers are used in a surprising number of applications.
Unlike synthetic fibers, banana fibers are biodegradable, renewable, and require far less energy to produce.
This significantly reduces environmental impact while maximizing the value of agricultural byproducts.
This could transform agricultural economies while reducing environmental pressure worldwide. This process proves that innovation and sustainability can grow together.
From raw banana stems to high-value industrial materials, every stage of this process is carefully engineered. What was once considered agricultural waste is now a powerful resource driving modern industries.
These look like ordinary banana stems, but inside this massive high-tech factory, they're turned into valuable industrial
potential. This is a real, fully operational factory, using modern automated machines to process banana stems at an
Cheers. These might look like ordinary banana stems, but inside this high-tech factory, they are transformed into. This is a real, fully operational factory using modern automated machines, not CGI, not...
After bananas are harvested, the stems are usually discarded. Here, they become the starting point of an advanced manufacturing process.
Fresh banana stems are collected, cut, and transported quickly to maintain fiber quality. As the stems enter the factory, powerful machines begin separating the outer layers from the inner fibers.
The inner fibers are extracted, washed, and prepared for the next stage, turning plant matter into usable material.
At full capacity, this factory processes thousands of banana stems every day, something impossible without automation. Each machine here is built to handle constant pressure, moisture, and plant density without slowing down.
High-speed blades cut the stems with exact measurements, ensuring minimal waste and maximum fiber recovery. The fibers are washed multiple times to remove sap, dirt, and residue, leaving behind clean, usable material.
By converting banana stems into usable materials, this factory reduces agricultural waste on a massive scale.